Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Krishna with another actionable tip that can help you level up your digital art game. So in this particular image here, I've got two copies of Yoda. And what I want to show you today are the power of layer effects within Photoshop that can really enhance your illustration. So I've already applied colors, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a new layer, and I'm labeling this as Unifier. And I'm going to pick a warm color. In this case, I'm going to pick a reddish color here. And I'm simply going to draw a rectangular selection around Yoda, and I will fill that in by hitting Option Delete, Alt Backspace. Now what this color unifier is going to do is if I go up here to the top, I can choose any number of these layer effects. And you'll see that some of them create some very unusual, very interesting looking graphic, illustrative type of work. But I want to show you the effect of, say, adding an overlay or a soft light. So soft light, what that does is it allows the red to affect all the colors underneath. And you can see by comparison here, the Yoda on the left, the colors are all fairly standalone. They are, they have a little bit of a greenish tint, but now I've given a reddish cast to the overall character. And you can dial this in by hitting Command U, and you can then move the hue slider. Now I'm giving him more of a greenish cast with this orange, right? So you can play with this to go, say, monochromatic. And I think it's a really powerful way to expand your color experimentation by using these layer effects. So you can really adjust this to taste, but don't overlook the fact that you can add a unifier and you can use these layer effects to create some pretty cool color effects for your illustration. So I hope you found this tip to be of use. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you have any questions about this stuff, I'll be more than happy to answer it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.